A revision has been made to 210.8b, Item 7, that states, all 125-volt through 250-volt receptacles, supplied by single-phase branch circuits, rated 150 volts or less to ground, 50 amperes or less, and all receptacles, supplied by three-phase branch circuits, rated 150 volts or less to ground, 100 amperes or less, installed in the following locations, shall be provided with GFCI protection. Item 7 states that sinks, where receptacles, or cord and plug connected, fixed or stationary appliances, are installed within 6 foot from the top inside edge of the bowl of the sink, shall be provided with GFCI protection. All exceptions are moved to the end of the list items to align with the style manual. Renumbered list items to account for changes. List item 2, kitchens. This list item is now dedicated for kitchens to enhance clarity. The requirement did not change, but was divided between two list items instead of including all in one list item. List item 3, areas with a sink, etc. A new list item 3 includes what was previously found in list item 2. Creating this new list item will help in clarity and usability of the NEC. In addition, beverage preparation was added to distinguish and include these areas for GFCI protection, as similar hazards exist. List item 4 added new list item 4 for buffet serving areas, as these locations present similar hazards but do not meet any of those items listed in 210.8b. List item 7, sinks, added language to address fixed or stationary appliances and their proximity to sinks, as the hazard exists for faulted appliances, and the hazard is not necessarily driven by the location of the receptacle. List item 8, indoor damp or wet locations. The new language adds clarity. The indoor locations are either wet or damp, not both. List item 13, new requirement has been added: a significant shock and electrocution hazard exist in other than dwelling occupancies, where aquariums or live bait wells are located near receptacle outlets. This hazard is very similar to receptacles within 6 foot of a sink, bathtubs, or shower stalls, which are all required to be GFCI protected. Exception number 2, for dedicated electric snow melting, deicing, etc. Remove the reference to items 3 and 4 to make this a general exception, regardless of location, of those items that are provided with GFPE, as per 426.28 and 427.22. A revision has been made to clarify that the requirements for sinks, where receptacles, or cord and plug connected, fixed or stationary appliances, are installed within 6 foot from the top inside edge of the bowl of the sink, for other than dwelling units, to have GFCI protection for personnel